This activity is all about rhyming. You'll need the numbers from the numbers kit and the riddle rhyme sentences. Remind your child about the word family lesson and how the words they were building rhymed. Tell them today they will answer a riddle that rhymes with a number. Using the 10 riddle rhyme sentences, you'll read the riddle to your child, have them choose the number they believe rhymes with the picture shown, and place that number on the line. Read the riddle together with your child and ask your child, does the number rhyme with the picture? I'm going to model this for you. First riddle. Sun rhymes with the number 1. And what you will focus on will be the ending sounds for the picture and the number. Sun, 1. Same ending sound. Pen rhymes with the number 10. Emphasize with your child, pen, 10. Same ending sound. Rhymes have the same ending sound. 11 rhymes with the number 7. 11, 7. Tree rhymes with the number 3. Tree, 3. Same ending sound. Plate rhymes with the number 8. Plate, 8. Door rhymes with the number 4. Door, 4. Shoe rhymes with the number 2. Shoe, 2. Focusing on those ending sounds. Hive rhymes with the number 5. Hive, 5. You hear those ending sounds. Bricks rhymes with the number 6. Bricks, 6. And line rhymes with the number 9. Same ending sound. Line, 9. And this is how you solve the riddle rhymes. To rewatch this video and find more resources, go to palmbeachschools.org/kindergarten. And happy practicing!